When it comes to enhancing your home's appeal and boosting its value, there are many upgrades to consider. However, one of the most impactful and cost-effective improvements you can make is window installation. In Sugarland, where the real estate market is competitive and homeowners are looking for ways to increase their property's value, new windows can provide significant returns. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your living space, installing new windows is a smart decision for homeowners. Here's why. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most significant advantages of new window installation is energy efficiency. Older windows can let in drafts and lose heat during colder months, while during warmer weather, they might let heat in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This inefficiency leads to higher energy bills, which can be a concern for homeowners in Sugarland, especially with the area's fluctuating temperatures. Modern windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, featuring double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and improved insulation. These advanced technologies help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for heating and cooling. With a decrease in energy consumption, your utility bills will naturally drop, making your home more affordable to live in. Buyers are always drawn to homes that have low operational costs, and energy-efficient windows are a key selling point that could make your home more attractive to prospective buyers. Enhanced curb appeal. Curb appeal plays a crucial role in the first impression a potential buyer has of your home. New windows can dramatically improve the look of your home from the street, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you opt for classic wood frames, sleek aluminum, or durable vinyl, new windows can complement your home's architectural style and give it a fresh, modern look. Not only will new windows enhance the exterior of your home, but they can also make the interior feel more spacious and brighter. Natural light can flood into your living spaces, giving them a warm and inviting atmosphere. The visual appeal created by the combination of improved aesthetics and enhanced natural light is a strong selling feature that can lead to a higher valuation for your home. Increased home security. Safety is a top priority for any homeowner, and new windows offer increased security features that can give you peace of mind. Modern windows are often equipped with stronger materials, more durable locks, and better sealing mechanisms, making it more difficult for burglars to break in. This added security is a valuable selling point, as many buyers prioritize homes with robust safety features. Additionally, impact-resistant windows, which are particularly beneficial in areas like Sugarland that may be prone to storms or hurricanes, can further increase the security of your home. These windows are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and protect your property from damage. Not only will they protect your home from the elements, but they also offer the added benefit of minimizing the risk of break-ins. Increase in property value. Ultimately, installing new windows can directly increase the market value of your home. Buyers often look for properties that have been updated and well maintained, and new windows are a significant indicator of this. By investing in window replacement, you're demonstrating to potential buyers that your home is up to date and energy efficient, which can justify a higher asking price. In Sugarland, where homeowners are eager to get the best return on their investment, new windows are a valuable addition that can differentiate your property from others on the market. Whether you're looking to sell in the near future or planning to enjoy your home for years to come, the value added by new windows will pay off in the long run. Low maintenance and longevity. Another reason to consider window installation is the low maintenance nature of modern windows. Newer windows are designed to be easy to clean, resistant to fading, and durable against wear and tear. This means that homeowners can spend less time and money on upkeep, and prospective buyers will appreciate the low maintenance features. Additionally, modern windows are built to last longer than their older counterparts. Vinyl and fiberglass windows, for example, are highly durable and often come with warranties that guarantee their performance for many years. The longevity of these windows is a significant selling point, as buyers are drawn to homes that won't require costly repairs or replacements in the near future. Conclusion: installing new windows in your home can be a game changer, offering a range of benefits that increase both its functionality and value. From energy efficiency to enhanced curb appeal, security, and longevity, the advantages of window installation in Sugarland are undeniable. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable and stylish living space, but you'll also set your home up for a higher resale value. With so many benefits, upgrading your windows is a wise investment that can pay off for years to come.